go to your browser, whichever browser you use, and search for ImageFX. We'll be using the second one that pops up and it opens up the interface. We would click on the box and type in our prompts. Now, if we click the drop down for the aspect ratio, system by now requires us to pay a fee. We'll close that out and we'll continue with our image. We'll click on create an image, which will ask us to verify if we're humans, and our image generation starts generating. Our image is here. This is the image it gave us, which did pretty decent, but it's unlimited, it's free. I'm going to press down my screen to bring out the option for me to download it, and I've downloaded it into my phone. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.